Today's video was made possible through the support of Jamie Grant and dozens of other people just like you on Patreon. Check the links below in the description and see how you can get involved. Thank you.
Hi there guys, welcome back to the shop. Today is a quick and easy one for episode 15 on Project Archi. It's all about just drilling a little hole. We've got this part here, which is the J2 motor mount, and that hole right there. Okay, you can find it in the Orion constellation because it's his left nipple. So that's officially what I'm calling that, because we've got the Orion constellation here. That's his left nipple. So this hole is a deprecated hole. This on the A2 robot, that's fine. You just roll with that. But if you're building the A3 robot, which we are because we're the cool kids, that hole, well, you got too much of it. It needs to be like embiggened a bit. In fact, it needs to be embiggened by a fuck of a lot. This is a 9/32 drill bit with bunny rabbit ears. And we need to cram that drill bit through that tight little hole. Now, 9/32 is 7.2 millimeters. So when we measure our drill bit here, we get 7.08. Okay, let's see. That's pretty all right at that spot. 7.11. Okay. Yeah, this is my cheap Chinesium drill bit, and I figure with enough run out in there, it'll take us up to the 7.2 millimeters that actually should be for a 9/32 hole. So you're gonna need your plate, you're gonna need your drill bit, you need a fuck off badass drill. This is my Milwaukee M12. Don't judge me, I know I got the little one, but it's always been enough to make me happy. You wanna chuck this up in a way that doesn't fuck up your really awesome piece of metal. So let's look at how to do that. All right, so we've got our vise, and we want to put this in it, and we've got to drill that hole right there. But if I just put this in the vise, it's going to bite down, and the serrations on the jaw are going to leave marks on my aluminum, and my goal at some point is to polish this robot, so I don't want it all fucked up, chewed up from the vise. So what I've got is a piece of what is actually really expensive leather, but we're going to sacrifice it because, well, Moose has lots of leather and I just need a little piece. So we're going to actually wrap this in a little leather condom and slip that in down there. And do I have enough? No, I want to go sideways because I want to have a really good grip on this to drill this hole. So we're going to wrap this in our leather condom, which is totally my tool cover band now. And we'll tighten that down nice and tight. All right, so this is rigid in there, and we can have at her. Because I'm a good boy, and I listen when friends yell at me on the internet, I'm going to engage my awesome Avitech safety squints, and we're just going to run this right on in here. Do you see the fucking run out in that drill bit? My dick is straighter than this drill bit. So I think 7.2 is going to be fine. It's going to be generous. All right, so that's sorted out. That's not too bad. Could stand being deburred a little bit, but we can do that with this. This is not the file for that, but yeah. Can actually deburr it with a bigger drill bit. Just kiss it. I got to get an inside hole deburring tool. I'll put that on my list. All right, there you have it. Look at that, embiggened hole, which is now up to 7/32s. In fact, let's see where it actually came out. 7.46. Let's zero that, make sure we're dead on. Okay, we're zeroed. Run that in there. 7.46, 47, yeah. 49. So, yeah, I think it'll work. All we gotta do is pass wires through it. Thank you for hanging out, guys. That was a quick and easy one. I'll see you for the next episode. Now, I know you've had a couple quick, easy ones, and I've been nice to you guys, but coming up next, episode 16 is going to be a job. So just bring a lunch, stay for the day, because we're going to town on this one. You guys have fun. I'm Chris Boden, as always. We'll see you next time. Sync for blog. Alright, so we want to put this in our vise to be able to drill through the hole. Alright, so we want to... This is where I really wish I had a fucking blocking monitor. Alright. Project Archi, episode 15, sync. So, Boeing Starliner had a non-optimal insertion this morning. I've had those too. Isn't that where you accidentally stick it in her butt? Hi there, guys, and hi there, guys, and welcome back to the shop. Today we're gonna play with Project Archi, episode 15. Fuck, we're not. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm a fucking moron. Mark, this is a 7/30 seconds. With bunny rabbit ears, a 7/30 seconds drill. No, it's not. This is a 9/30 seconds. So, here's where we're gonna get kind of cool. Fuck! I shot the whole goddamn thing and didn't turn the robot on. Take two.